Hi everyone, Siavash here from GMI Solution, first Australian company to be certified admin by HighLevel, and I'm super pumped to show you this one-of-a-kind integration that we have with JaneApp. So if you've been using JaneApp, you know that they don't have any integration except a lousy Mailchimp, and what we built, you can't find it anywhere in the market. It's one of a kind, and this is what we're doing. So in real time, we are syncing all this information from the JaneApp into HighLevel. So as you can see, there's a ton of information from the patient, last booking time, and all of those kind of things, that cancellation, no-show, referral, which location they visit, all those kind of things. And all of these are coming into your HighLevel, and that means that you can build automation on top of them. So let me just show you an account example. So this is one of our clients. Obviously, this is HIPAA compliant, so that's why these datas are fake, but to just give you a show of how it's going to look like. So you can see with treatment name, all of those kind of things, booked at, last booked, and all of those kind of things are coming up in here. And just to give you a little bit of hint with this treatment name, because they are products and you know the price of them, you can build up automation and you will end up having something like this. So you can literally close the circle between your advertisement and lead generation for that clinics and showing them, hey, this is the actual value that we brought in for you, because now your circle is closed. You know who booked with Jane, they automatically getting injected back into your HighLevel account, and you know what appointments type they book, so you know the value of that patient, so you can actually build up all these type of dashboard. I'm super pumped. You can't find this anywhere, so just go ahead, click on sign up. It's very easy to link up one of your accounts. We have videos on how to do it, and you will be up and running for any of your sub account within less than 2 minutes. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.